guys, Outdoorsy Jen here. I actually have a fun video for you guys today where I'm out here in my outdoor garden, gonna pick my tomato here, but as you guys know, in Wisconsin and anywhere north, we have brutal winters, so I'm not gonna be able to garden outside in the next month or two because it's gonna drop freezing. So I'm actually gonna make a mini hydroponic garden for you guys, but I'm gonna pick my tomato and then I'll go inside and show you guys the supplies you'll need and how to build it. Alright, let's go. And let's dive right in. For my mini hydroponic garden, you're going to need a 5-gallon bucket and 1.5 PVC. I went to my local hardware store here and picked all this up, so you can get it locally anywhere. But you're going to need a PVC vent, which I'm going to use backwards for my plants. And then you're going to need Y fittings and an 18-inch length for that'll go into the 5-gallon bucket, and then I cut these at 3 inches, and these are going to be our spacers. And then I have a 2-inch hole saw and a 1-inch hole saw that I'm going to use to cut a hole into my lid here. So I have my drill, and then I have my PVC glue, and then obviously, as always, you can pick any seeds you want for your garden. But yeah, let's dive right in. I'll show you guys how to make it. Alright, I got my drill set up to drill our hole in the lid here. When you drill into plastic, you want to start going forward, but once you get into the teeth here, you want to go backwards because you don't want it to grab the plastic and then make a crack in the plastic. So you want to make sure you alternate the Y pipes back and forth so you have room for your plants to grow. But I'm going to let this dry for a minute and then we'll set up the rest of the bucket. Alright, now I'm going to drill a 1-inch hole at 3 inches and 5 inches in my drain back pipe. I think my hole saw's a little dull. That was a little tougher than it should have been. Alright, now we're going to clean up our holes here. Alright, and we also need one more inch hole that's going to go on our lid. You can put it anywhere. Okay, I just put it in my 5-gallon bucket here so you can see what it's going to look like. And I have this mini pump that I ordered online that just plugs into USB. So this is going to sit on the bottom of the bucket, and then our hose here is going to come out that 1-inch hole that we drilled and go up through the top, and then we're going to have constant water flow that will go to our plants at all times. Alright, I just plugged the pump in and you can actually see the water. I took one of the baskets out so you can look inside there and see the water flowing. So I'm going to get these filled up, put my seeds in it, and then check back with you guys. We have our growing medium soaking in the nutrients here, and we're going to grow lettuce, butter crunch, and collards here. I like to put 3 seeds in each just in case one doesn't take. And put them, transport them into our PVC setup over here. And there you have your mini hydroponic garden. If you guys make one, please share with me. I'd love to see your guys' design and what you come up with. And yeah, next time I'll check in when we have plant growth, and I'll catch you in the woods.